If you are looking for amazing hosting or coupon codes, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to explain you step by step on how to get the maximum possible discount, plus using two of the finest coupon codes with Hostinger. So make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, you are going to be landed over here where you can see that the biggest ever Black Friday deals are running on, and where you can see as much as 81% discount, plus I'm going to give you two further coupon codes through which you can get even further 10% discount, making it more than 91% discount. So you can see there Hostinger got amazing reviews with Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, WP Beginner, everyone praising them as their finest hosting company. And then choose your web hosting plan. They offer three web hosting plan as their popular plans, but in case if you need more plans, you can simply select the hosting and select go to the web hosting, cloud hosting, or VPS. Or in case if you're looking for WordPress specific plans, they also offer WordPress specific plans. But my personal recommendation is to opt for the web hosting plan, even if you're going to host WordPress, because these plans are also optimized for WordPress. You can see over here that the managed WordPress is included in all of the plans, and they are optimized for WordPress as well, and they are optimized for WooCommerce as well. They have their own 150 plus designer templates included with their no code website builder, and there are few security features which I personally like enhanced DDoS protection, web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, secure access manager, free domain host, privacy protection, which I personally like them. Then you can see that they have data centers all around in the world. Then you can see that they provide maximized website speed with the light speed web server technology. They are at least three times faster. Just look on the graph, you can see how fast they are as compared to their competitors. Then they provide you with free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. Now choose your plan. So let's say we are going with this plan, the premium plan, that is going to save you the most amount of money. Plus I'm going to recommend you two further coupon codes through which you can get even more discount. Now over here, once I selected the add to cart, I'm redirected to over here. Now I'm seeing the summary of what I'm going to buy from Hostinger. Now I'm going to choose my billing period. They offer four billing periods, and the 48 months is definitely the bargain over here. Now once you select your billing period, create your own account by writing your email ID here or synchronize with the Google or Facebook, and then select payment method. They offer five payment methods: credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. Once you select your payment method, scroll over here and select the have a coupon code and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link, and now simply select the apply button, and you can see that the price got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well, which is with the name of HI10. You can also find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Now simply select the apply button, and you can see that the price got a further discount from an already discounted price. So enjoy your hosting with Hostinger with two of these amazing coupon codes. Good luck with Hostinger.